Hey guys, my name is Victor and today I'm going to be showing you how to get XRay for Minecraft 1.17. It was just released like yesterday and XRay has already come out for it and I'll be showing you how to do that. So first thing I want to do is go to options in Minecraft, have it open, options, resource packs, and open resource pack folder. Now it's going to open up a folder that you're just going to want to keep off to the side here. The next thing you're going to want to do is come to this top link in the description. It's going to open up this page right here. And you're just going to want to search for 1.17 version 4.1. If you are doing this in the future, look for the more recent version. So you're just going to download this and it'll just take a moment. Alright, now that it's downloaded, you're going to want to have this file over here and this right here. And you're going to want to drag this directly in there. So you can see it was added at the bottom here along with all the other versions of XRay I've used in the past, so we can close out of these now. And if I scroll down here, you can see this one is completely compatible, not out of date as these ones show. Put it on right there, select, and then I'll show you in a Minecraft world that it works. Alright, so I'm now in a Minecraft world, and as you can see, I can see all the ores beneath me, coal, iron, whatever, and I can find them and mine them easily. So if this helped you out and it worked for you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.